Hey, hi, hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Risha. Today we're gonna get into this peachy summer makeup look. It's just perfect for this season. Screams summer. It's light on the skin. It's West Coast girly approved because I am in this Georgia heat and it is not taking me out yet. And I've still been able to wear my makeup. I like to do a lot with a little, and I feel like this look did just that, and I'd love to see you do it too. So please let me know down in the comments below if you go ahead and attempt this look or try any of the goodies that I mentioned, because this has just been the summer of skin. I mean, there's so many options out there. I'm just going to continue to play around all the way up and through September. So this is the first look of many. Let's get into it. Also, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty content and lifestyle content. More to come. So this is the before phase. This is my skin, super clean, no product besides my regular skincare, and honestly, it's almost 7 o'clock at night, so this is what I look like. I know typically people go in and do like oil removing before they add primer and stuff, but I'm not going to do that. I actually like the natural oils on my face, but if you do find yourself being a little bit more on the oily side, I highly recommend going ahead and coming with new fresh washed skin, whatever is going to give you that look, that desired effect for afterward. I'm going to go in with primer. So for primer, I have two that I like to use. This is both a primer and a SPF, which is perfect for summertime. You're supposed to wear SPF all the time, year round, reapply, but we all know usually we're all on our best behavior during summer, so don't skip this step. I really like that this is a 2-in-1, so I go ahead and I start with this. Don't skip the forehead. And I just love the way that SPF leaves that glow on the skin. Like, I'm already beaming. So that's perfect. You have combination skin, so for my T-zone, I'll follow up with this blur by one size, and I'm gonna go in with about like a dime size amount. So like literally enough for not even the tip of my finger, barely that. A dime size amount. And I'm just gonna spread evenly onto my T-zone. And I really love this formula because it gives that matte appearance and helps with those pores and everything. So it definitely gives the blur effect, but it does not completely wipe out the natural shine. Fenty Skin's Hydra Visor in shade 7. I like to apply by using a pump on the back of my hand and then distributing onto the skin. And if you want a bit more coverage, I pair these together and that's magical. It's a tinted moisturizer that contains SPF 30. So I'm gonna put on the back of my hand. I'm gonna do like a pea-sized drop of this just for some additional coverage. Okay, so that's just what it applied to the cheek as well as a little to my forehead, and then I'm just gonna take the rest to the other side of the cheek. And I really like skin tints and tinted moisturizers for the summer because they just give you that my skin but better effect. And I also feel like they're really good for those who love a minimal base. This is just like perfect. And combining those two together, super good. So I am gonna go over this with a beauty blender and also wipe my hands off. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going in with Win Beauty. This is Serena Williams cosmetic line. My favorite thing from her product line is by far her concealer. It's so good. It's so rich. I love the consistency, and the dry down is just so pretty. And one pump gets you full coverage, or at least what I would use. So I took concealer down the bridge of my nose and under my eyes. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes and then blend it out. These are the two brushes I'll be using to blend down my concealer. The Morphe M536 brush and then the House Labs concealer brush. And like usual, I am looking to this side to look into my mirror. I'm so sorry. I'm still working to find a mirror that is the perfect height for filming with you guys here. So this will have to do for now. Now I'm gonna go in with this press powder by Maybelline. It's Maybelline Fit Me in shade 330. For this part of the step, you're just gonna go in and apply pressure, get this on the powder puff, and then look up as you pat, and I'm focusing it directly under my eye. This is just an extra step for those who deal with fine lines and creasing. I have to double set. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the blushes. These are two blushes from Rhode, and I am so in love with this Spicy Mark shade. Like, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna take this to the cheeks and onto the nose. And I'm gonna just blend this out with that big fluffy brush. I'm going in with my Sigma F40 brush. And again, I like to keep my blush high placement, not low. It just really flatters my face that way. High blush placement is very flattering if you're looking for that more like snatch look. And of course, for the more dolly cheeks, you just put it further down. This is the second shade, and it's in Toasted Teddy. And I just found out this new word while looking on TikTok. They call it bronzing. And essentially it's like using a shade around this complexion. And it's like blush, but you're using it sort of for bronzing. And since I already put some on my cheeks, the blush, I'm not gonna go over that area again. Instead, I'm gonna use this to kind of bronze my nose. I'm gonna blend with a different brush. This time I'm just using one of my fluffier eyeshadow brushes to blend this out. Okay, so this is with the blush on the cheeks and the blondes on the nose. Now we're gonna go in and set this. So to set the face, as you probably already figured out, if it's not Maybelline, I'm using the One Size. One Size just does not miss. This formula is so good. It does a lot for setting the face, and I just can't find a brand that does it better. I'm sorry, and I'm not paid. This is purely just my honest reviews and how I feel about these products. These are things that I do on my own. I have to say all that because I don't want for you to think I'm trying to deceive you. So this is for One Size, and it's the shade Ultra Peach. And same process, I'm just gonna go in with the powder puff. I'm not gonna do it up here because I don't wanna make a mess. But I'm gonna go with the powder puff and take it under the eyes. Alright, so the powder is applied. This is my brightening placement, because even though we're not doing a whole full-on bead, I really wanted a peachy brighter under eye, and this is gonna do just that. So I'm literally just letting it sit for about 2 minutes, if that, and I'm gonna dust it away, and I'll show you guys what I'll be doing with that. But I'm just taking one of my denser brushes, essentially like a foundation brush, making sure there's no product on it, and I'm just gonna pat it under my eye. Okay, so we're almost done. Set the face. So first, setting the makeup, I like to use a dewy setting spray and then follow up with a fixing spray. So for dewy setting sprays, I really love this one. It's inexpensive, it's only 10 bucks and it's by e.l.f. I was before using Charlotte Tilbury, and I do on occasion, but this one right here, I'm already halfway through the bottle and I'm about to go get a new one. Like, I love this spray so much, but I don't trust it enough by itself, and I also don't believe in only setting with dewy setting sprays. I always follow up with a fixing spray. And so my favorite fixing sprays are these two: Revolution's Ultimate Hold Fixing Spray, and then this one is One Size's On Till Dawn setting spray. So alternate between the two of these. This one is more cost efficient, so it's your preference. So if you wanted a drugstore or a Ulta alternative to Sephora combo, you can use these two. And then for the Sephora combo, you can go in with these two, so Charlotte Tilbury and this. So I alternate between the four and any type of variation. I just always make sure I'm doing a dewy setting spray first and mainly focusing it here, because I introduced so many powders to the center of my face. I just feel like it's 100% necessary. And then for the whole face, I go in with this. So I'm gonna do that and try not to choke. Okay, so now that the face is all set, we're gonna go in and finish off the eyes with some mascara. So this is Fenty Beauty's Hella Thick Mascara, and I'm in love. I know I'm saying I'm in love every other video with a new mascara, but this is in my top 3. So my brother got married last week, and we were helping with makeup touch-ups for my sister-in-law, and I completely forgot about taking my Rose Envy back with me. So either one of my sisters has it. I don't know. Doesn't matter. I'll buy a new one. I didn't realize until recording this, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna deviate a little bit from the original lip combo, but I will leave it down below. The original LTK link has all the original looks, and then I'll also have the video linked down. I'll also have the video for the TikTok link down below as well, so you can see that lip look. But I'm gonna do it with a different sort of combo today since I don't have all the products. Okay, so to line, I'm gonna be going in with Skin in shade 15. I'm then gonna go into the inner part of that lip liner with the shade Current because I don't have Club Hopper. And then for the center of my palette, I'm gonna go in with Nude Fantasia. Okay, so to top the look off and add some gloss to the super matte palette, I'm gonna go in with Rhode. This is their peptide lip tint in the shade Guava Spritz, and I think it's the perfect alternative to Rose Envy. So I'm gonna go into the palette with that. Alright, so that is the final makeup look. So pretty, so peachy, so summery. I'm in love with this look. I've done it multiple times before and hubby approves. I do this a lot for date nights. Now for summer, I've run this back at least 3-4 times. It's given like every weekend type repeat. So perfect for date night vibes, whether daytime or nighttime. It's super light on the skin. I'm a West Coast girly, so I don't like too much. I really don't. I really love to look like I'm doing a lot, but to only have used a little. that's the goal, and that goal was achieved. I hope you love this look. If you do any recreations of this look, please feel free to tag me, let me know. Also comment down below if you've tried any of the products that I recommended, because I did try a whole bunch of newbies with this, between the Rhode, the Fenty Tinted Moisturizer, what else is a newbie? This, shoot, I also used Win Beauty's concealer. So it's a face full of new faves and perfect for the summertime. I hope you enjoyed this look. Until next time, bye.